People tell us every week that our information has helped save their life. If you agree that this is helpful information, please like, share, and most of all, subscribe, because nothing makes a channel like subscriptions. JMK 2921. Do you agree with Dr. Malcolm Kendrick that the initiating event for atherosclerosis is disruption of the glycocalyx and the coronary endothelium? Yes, I do. It's disruption of the glycocalyx and the coronary endothelium. I'm guessing you haven't heard a lot of our videos because we talk about that a lot. And here's the thing. In fact, I've got some pictures where I show what the glycocalyx is. The glycocalyx is a very thin, single-celled lining of the artery wall. It's sort of like a marsh area. In marsh areas, you have a major increase in the ability of biological growth. You get all of the small minnows growing, you get insects, et cetera, et cetera. It becomes a major breadbasket and nursery for biological growth. You have something very similar with the marsh created by the glycocalyx. The glycocalyx itself may be single cell thin, but the internal surface is made up of fingerlings, glycocalyx. In the fingerlings, the hairy things sticking out are based on glucose. That's what glyco means. So guess what? If you have too high a glucose level for too long, you tend to destroy that glycocalyx. That is the first step in inflammation. It's also interesting to note that they've discovered and indicated multiple times that too high an insulin, even if the blood sugar is normal, also causes this. Now, is that because insulin is impacting the glycocalyx itself, or is that high insulin really more of an indicator that you have a lot of episodes of higher glucose values? I think we don't know the answer to that question. I suspect it might be the latter.